The upkeep on solid wood furniture means that you have to protect it from moisture, heat, and dust. Those are the three main enemies. Keep moisture off of it because veneer is a little bit more susceptible to water damage than solid wood is. You want to make sure that you wipe up any spills very quickly because the longer you leave a spill on solid wood, the more damage that it's going to cause. Also keep heat away from it. I mean, put something down underneath your hot pans, your steam from pizza boxes, things that come right out of the oven are all dangerous for solid wood and especially for veneer. You want to remember to dust, and when you do dust, go with the grain. You want to lift the dust off, not wipe it across the surface because that creates little micro scratches. So now that you know a little bit, what do you need to do if you want to learn more? Go online at FurnitureFair.net and talk to one of our online sales associates. You could make an appointment, come in and see one of our sales associates, walk around, and have them explain the differences between something that's solid wood and wood veneer.